I'm Sigalerwa.
And I'm Inga. We're doing a project on input and output devices
that are used in the banking industry.
Biometric fingerprint reader. The fingerprint reader is used by placing a finger or fingers on the reader. This scans the client's fingerprint to reference it with the computer's database. By verifying the fingerprint, it secures the bank account using this personal characteristic. The reader is connected to the computer by cables that link it to the system so that it converts the fingerprint into a digital code that the computer database understands. Webcam. This input device is placed on the consultant's desk facing the direction of the client. It then captures the image of the client. This is then used for facial identification of current and potential clients entering the bank. A webcam is connected to the computer via FireWire port or a USB port if it's not built into the computer system. In this incident, it was not built into the system, so it was connected using cables. The biometric fingerprint reader and webcam play a vital role in the security of a financial institution and help clients. For example, when a client enters the institution without their ID document, their fingerprint and photo, which is stored in the computer database, is used to identify them.
The third input device that is discussed is the numeric keypad. This device is built into the automatic teller machine, which in short is also known as an ATM. Details required by the ATM user is inserted into the numeric keypad. This allows the users to have access to their bank account information. The software that is installed within the ATM system then interprets the details that was manually inserted by the user. It converts the data into a digital code that the system is able to understand, allowing the bank account information to be displayed on the screen.
A duplex printer is most commonly found in workplaces. It is put into use by receiving commands from the computer to convert information stored on the system, known as soft copy, to hard copy, which is printed on paper. In the banking industry, the hard copy is sent to clients to inform them about the updated bank statuses. In this instance, it's by sending the bank statements. Cables are placed into the serial port of the computer in order to perform the following tasks: printing, scanning, photocopying, and faxing. Another form of output is headphones. In our described scenario, this is used for blind clients making use of banking services. The headphones is inserted into a headphone jack, and this enables clients to hear an audio version of what is displayed on the screen. The bank makes provision for blind clients to have easy and efficient banking activities, as well as the braille that is on the keypad is of essence to them. The headphone jack is built into the ATM, and this is connected to a computer via a network. A sound is produced after receiving instructions from the ATM.
Okay. Qmatic devices are self-service devices where clients are required to enter input data. The built-in system server and ticket printer will process the data and print a ticket with a number on it. The system server will therefore send the client's data to the custom relationship management. Thereafter, the staff member calls for the number on the ticket. This particular device enables banking industries to provide an efficient service as queues are organized in an orderly manner. Another great characteristic of the Qmatic device is that it is a standalone device, and any PC in the same network can be used to read its info.